Welcome to the Vox Singing Academy Bayswater welcome video. We are located at 14B Church Street, Bayswater, which is right on the corner of James Street and Church Street in Bayswater. Just at the end of the street here, 100 metres is the mountain highway. Public buses run from there, and about another 200 metres just that way along the mountain highway is the Bayswater train station. So come on through and I will show you around the Bayswater studio. There is ample parking here, as you can see. This is the Bayswater studio right there, and there's ample parking here, which is great. So we'll just come on through here. If there is a lesson in front of you, before you, please just take a seat in the waiting room. You can have a look at the numerous huge big singers that we have had come through Vox Singing Academy with their motivational write-ups regarding Vox Singing Academy. So just take a seat here, and this is Studio 1. So this is where all the Vox lessons are held. Right here we have a little mini stage in the studio, so you're more than welcome to perform on that, especially preparing for our student concerts. And this is our Bayswater studio. So just so that you know what it looks like when you come here, it's quite a large studio. It's one of our biggest studios. It's our second largest studio. And just at the end, if you're nervous, and you need to go to the toilets are down here at the end of the hallway. There is Studio 2 and 3 here, and this door will probably be shut. So you just come through this door, which is below the security cameras here, and the toilet is just around the corner here. If you would like lessons with Vox Singing Academy, please ring 0422 78289 or log on to www.voxsingingacademy.com.au to make a booking and for more inquiries. Much love.